In this video, let's talk about how to use the Wells Fargo credit card rewards. If you're trying to redeem or use the credit card rewards that you have added up within the platform, in this video, let me show you how it is done. Now, in order to access this feature, what you simply need to do is either through the mobile app of Wells Fargo or through the website. You need to first of all log into your account and then just head over to rewards and benefits, which you'd be able to see within the credit card. So select one of your credit cards that is linked, and within you'll be able to see the option being displayed which says rewards and benefits. Once you're inside of this particular platform, you'll be able to see the total rewards that are available. Now there are multiple ways on how you can use it, such as you'll be able to get cashbacks and points that can be redeemed for cash. So this is one way that you'd be able to use the credit card rewards. Secondly, you can also use it for travels, gift cards, as well as shopping statement credits. So within this platform, you'll be able to see a similar option which says use rewards on the bottom, where you'd be able to see all of the options being displayed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.